Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the first subdivision in question 2 from exercise 5.4. If y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power minus mx, prove that y2 minus m square y is equal to 0. So first you need to understand y2 is an acronym for second order differentiation. So first let's start differentiating this. So y is given to be a e power mx plus b e power minus mx. So first to differentiate, so this is y dash is equal to a is a constant, so a m e power mx. This is the differentiation of e power mx is m e power mx. There is a constant, so I placed it here. Plus b into e power minus mx will be a minus b m e power minus mx, because differentiation of e power minus mx will be minus m e power minus mx. There is a coefficient of b, so that is also placed here. From the second order differentiation, so y dash is equal to a m squared e power mx minus of minus will be plus b m squared e power minus mx. Now between these two terms, I'm going to take the m squared outside. So m squared is equal to a e power mx plus b e power minus mx. So this, I'm going to rewrite this expression as nothing but the y that's given to us. So y double dash is going to be equal to m squared y. So that is the notation that you have given here. So I'm using that. Y2 is equal to m squared y, or y2 minus m squared y is equal to 0. So this is the expression they asked us to prove. So hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second subdivision in this question. See you in the next video. Bye.